Uncle Giuseppe's dessert plate. We had a party this weekend and my mom sent me home with all the extra desserts. Cannoli cupcake. The cannoli chip on top is soggy, but I'm not eating it the same day, so that's expected. But the cannoli cream is so good. I love Uncle Giuseppe's cannoli cream. Sicilian cassatelle, or is it Sicilian cassatelle? I'm not sure. I'm not Italian. I'm pretty sure it's just the cannoli filled empanada. The fried shell is so good and the cannoli cream, outstanding. Classic chocolate chip cookies. If I had frosting for this cookie right now, it would be a 10 out of 10. Mini dark chocolate covered graham crackers. These little dark chocolate graham crackers are delicious. Blueberry crumb pie. Vanilla cannoli cupcake.